again to help us. With his help, now we can build a brand new car. Look, it's a big pumpkin. I wonder what the red robot does. Ah, he's cutting something out of the pumpkin. Hi, robot. What did you do? Wow! It's a great pumpkin for Halloween. It's very heavy, but beautiful. Friends want to put all these pumpkins in front of Scoop's garage to surprise him. Be careful, Lifty. Oh! What will take all these heavy pumpkins to the garage? Ah! Hi, Leo. What car will you make today? Those are pickup parts. A black chassis. A red cab. Doors. Four wheels. A green grill with headlights. A bed to put pumpkins in. Fenders. And two bumpers. Front and back. The pickup's ready. Let's load pumpkins. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go! Oh! All the pumpkins fell out of the bed. Stop, pickup. Leo, should we install a tailgate? Can you find one? Did you find it? That's a door. It won't work. The necessary item is in the middle. Take it, Leo. Put the tailgate in place. Go! The pickup's already reaching Scoop's garage. Unload the pumpkins. Scoop,